Welcome to Plane Time. I'm Ben Coleman, your anchor host for today, and we'd like to welcome our affiliates that help us bring these presentations to you, but we'll be involved with the show in just about 10 minutes. Well, welcome to our affiliates, John Stool and Joel Weiner. Terry Kurtz from South Lakeland, thank you, Terry. Glenn Sims in Lakeland with Civil Air Patrol. Paul Adrian and John Weber in Leesburg. Thank you, Barbara Phillips in Orlando. Bob Jex, just recently retired from the FAA. Vicki Sherman, thank you in Ormond Beach, all you do up in the coastal area there. Keith Phillips of Spruce Creek, John Schmalls and Titusville, and Brina Wright in Sanford, one of the relations to the Wright brothers. And we have Bill McClung in Tampa, and Mike Miner in Tampa, Dennis Haynes, Billy Hadaway in Birmingham. Good to see you, Billy. Sam Gross, Barry Simmons, Tom Diedman in Live Oak, John Licardi and Mike Ketchpow. And we have Rob Williams of South Carolina at Triple Tree, and Laura Spoler in Women in Aviation, and Jim Waymeyer and Cress Wise in the Villages. Thanks for all that you do for us and your affiliate Nature, and we look forward to seeing you again and again. We'll be back with you in a few minutes.